listen to this, right? I ain't got no problem with Savannah's. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to let y'all know that $8 spaghetti, $18 spaghetti was not it. You dig what I'm saying? Now look at this Haitian spaghetti right here. This wasn't $18. So I say that to say this. If you going, you feel me? Charge me $18 for some spaghetti. Make sure it looks something like this. You dig what I'm saying? So, but yeah, that video was not to bash them. I don't have no personal issues with Savannah. Shout out to y'all. Y'all doing y'all thing, and I want y'all to continue doing y'all thing. I was just voicing my opinion about the price on the spaghetti. You feel me? Shout out to my homegirl and her mom for donating this beautiful Haitian spaghetti for this video right here. So, I holla. Oh yeah, my bad. Oh yeah, beaucoup de fanatique, moi yo.